Acting Chief Justice Roxane George made headlines by dismissing a case that could have changed how citizens in Guyana register to vote. This all started when PNCR Chief Scrutineer Carol Smith Joseph filed a case against the Guyana Elections Commission, or GECOM, pushing them to verify the physical addresses of voter registrants. Smith Joseph argued that without proper address verification, the integrity of Guyana's elections would be at serious risk. She raised concerns about people registering at places they don't actually live, potentially compromising the fairness of the electoral process. But Chief Justice George wasn't having it. She ruled that there's no legal requirement for GECOM to verify addresses. The address provided is purely for assigning polling stations and should be accepted as is. She stressed that any additional verification could disenfranchise eligible voters, violating their constitutional rights. The Chief Justice also pointed out that changes to voter registration procedures should come from the National Assembly, not the judiciary. She made it clear that while the current electoral laws could use some clarification, it's not the court's job to rewrite them unless there's ambiguity. After the ruling, the Guyana Reporter praised the decision, saying it protects vulnerable voters, like the homeless, from being unfairly excluded. They argued that just because someone doesn't have a fixed address, it doesn't mean they should lose their voice in a democracy. The reporter also noted that while the case brought up valid concerns about electoral integrity, the arguments simply weren't strong enough to convince the court. In the end, this ruling sends a powerful message. Voting is a right for all citizens, no matter their housing situation. In Guyana, democracy must be inclusive, and no one should be left behind just because they don't have a traditional home address. What do you think? Should GECOM verify addresses, or does this ruling strike the right balance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Guyana's legal and political landscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.